of Renato Jr. and Ivy Mejares.
With honors, De Los Reyes Ray Tristan D., son of Triton Don and Very Lovely De Los Reyes.
With honors, Kutaran Zindi Nicola M., daughter of Alan Charles and Sheila Marie Kutaran.
With honors, Sokuan Yasser P., son of Yasser and Maylene Sokuan.
With honors, who will also receive a loyalty award and Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Cultural Arts, and Best in Filipino. Ubaldo Jane Tabitha D., daughter of Georgie and Karen Ubaldo. Once again, our award music completers in the kinder level. Congratulations!